Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn this type of compositing in After Effects. So let's get started. First we import a video. Then we go to the track and track motion, and this is creating auto tracking. Sometimes we do manually tracking, frame by frame. Like this. After tracking, we create a null object, and rename it to the track. Then we click on the Edit Target, and choose the track layer and hit on OK. Then Apply and OK. After doing this, we added a blood video on it. And change into a 3D layer. And increase the size, and adjust it. Then we change the mode into multiply layer. And bearing to the track. After this we duplicated this layer, and will keep it on top of the blood layer. Then we create a mask on thumbs and fingers. After this we set a key on the mask and adjust frame by frame. And it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming updates and amazing tutorials.